So folks, we're here for
a hearing about phone records from Aidan Kearney, a blogger known as Turtle Boy, and his communications with accused killer Karen Read. Kearney is accused of intimidating witnesses in the Read case using information she shared with him.
The information on those phones.
The special prosecutor wants those records in the Kearney case to potentially show Read's guilt.
What we expect evidence will show.
At the start of the hearing, Read was not in the courtroom, but then unexpectedly, she and her defense team walk in. Read appears to glare at the special prosecutor in her case.
I'm not sure why we're being joined by Ms. Read's team unless they have standing in this.
Read's attorney argues they should take part, even though it's a separate case.
But the case should never be called without my client being here. She has a constitutional right to be here and to be heard.
Counsel, this motion's been pending for a week and a half now. Correct. I don't have any opposition from you. I don't have any submission from you.
The judge does allow Read and her team to stay, while Brennan argues the phone records may reveal clues to Read's guilt.
The conscience of guilt has more to do with the conduct of Ms. Read. Did she do something that reflects her consciousness of guilt to try to cover for the crimes that she's alleged to have committed?
Gross invasion of privacy. It's a fishing expedition. There is no hook that they have to say we will find something criminal in those phones.
Prosecutor Brennan also points to a recent docuseries that's airing about Karen Read, where he claims that she acknowledges sharing information and knowing what those consequences might be. The judge took this matter under advisement. Live in Dedham, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center.